Hi everyone, what I'm doing today is just feeding my roses. I've got this Miracle-Gro Rose and Shrub plant food. So on the back it's very clear instructions how to use. So I've got half a cup of the plant food into a litre of water. Now the easiest way I've found to do this is to put the plant food into the can first, and then to measure a litre of water very quickly and easily. I've got two 500ml bottles which I just filled with tap water, so I just pop those in the can and there we have a litre of water. So nice and easy. Just put the cap back on there for now so I don't tip it over, because knowing me I will. Right, and then just give it a swirl around and that's a good mix. Now I'm going to show you the roses. Now this pink one has been flowering almost non-stop, and although I've got to deadhead it, we've still got quite a few buds still coming through. So that's doing really well. Now I did trim this down to about 18 inches, so all this top section is all new growth this year. So that's done really well. Now this is my yellow rose, which is still sort of hanging on. Poor thing. It has really struggled this year for some reason, I don't know why, but it hasn't died, so that's a bonus. Now this is a bare root rose that I planted earlier this year, and it's got its first buds, so I'm pleased that that's establishing well, although I had hoped to get flowers a bit earlier on really, but I'm no rose expert by any means, so I'm just happy that it's still growing. Now this rose here is a white one. This was another bare root rose which is still alive, but it's not quite as far forward as the red one, but hopefully next year I'll get a good display from these. And finally in this border, this is another red one. This has had about 2 flowers this year. They haven't seemed to have done too well, but this is one that I've had in the garden for about 3 years now. But I'm hopeful for next year. Now this is the tall rose that grows up by the shed. And this one always flowers non-stop through the season. The flowers on here are really beautiful, but there's no fragrance to these. The ones in the sideboard are all fragrant roses. Now we're at the end of August now, and we only feed from March to September, so I should probably feed today, possibly one next month, and then that will finish, because obviously they want to die down for the winter. Now the ground is still very dry, so I did water them about an hour ago to let the water seep down to the roots, and then just need to give them a good mix of food. So that can drain down. Now what I'm going to do as well, I've got this little Daphne shrub, and I thought that would have grown bigger by now, but it's still looking okay, but it's just not growing much, so I'm just giving that a little bit of food as well. And this one at the back. Now I obviously need to mix up some more food, so I should work around those. I've got 2 roses in the front garden as well, which were bare root roses, that I ordered at the same time. So I'll just get those done. Say bye for now and see you next time.